How powerful was Wang Yangming's philosophy? This video will provide you with profound insights. As a prominent thinker during the Ming Dynasty, he had a profound understanding of the essence of life and created the ultimate method for purifying the soul. Wang Yangming believed that in our lives, everyone encounters various complex issues. While it may seem like we are busy with various matters every day, ultimately, what we are dealing with are our own emotions and feelings. For example, during the Chinese New Year gathering, everyone else arrives in Mercedes-Benz and BMWs, while you arrive in a used Alto that cost only 10,000 Chinese yuan. They subtly imply at the dinner table that your car lacks safety, power, interior quality, and even the brand is not prestigious. How would you feel in your heart at that moment? Now, imagine a different scenario where you drive a luxury car worth $1 million RMB. How would you feel then? The problem lies in this contrast. The gathering remains the same, and the people speaking are the same, but why does your mindset change dramatically in these two scenarios? If you can understand this principle, you will undergo a true transformation. In reality, besides the feelings brought about by life's natural events, all other emotions such as joy, anger, sorrow, jealousy, and greed are merely reflections of your own state of mind. All emotions are not objectively real, they arise from your thoughts and operate outside the realm of your inherent nature. While there is only one external material world, each person has their own inner world, and these inner worlds do not necessarily align. This is where Wang Yangming's concept of karma, the mind is not disturbed by external things, the myriad beings are not different, comes into play. The ocean is just the ocean, and it does not inherently represent vastness. The moon is simply the moon, and it does not inherently imply similarity. All definitions are constructed by human interpretation. Some may say that plum blossoms endure hardship to bloom, but the notion of enduring hardship is only attributed to the fact that it is a plum blossom. If it weren't for the hardship, would it still be a plum blossom? If you can see through the essence of things, you can effortlessly navigate between various feelings and no longer be bound by the constraints imposed by others. At this point, you become an invincible presence, capable of interacting with various people and managing various situations. In 1506, after his enlightenment on a farm, Wang Yangming gained a profound understanding of the truth of life, resulting from deep contemplation and awakening. He believed that the attitude of the mind determines one's actions, leading to his famous phrase, "Knowledge and action are one." In essence, the human mind has no inherent division between good and evil, but as soon as thoughts arise, distinctions between good and evil emerge. After his enlightenment at Longchuan, Wang Yangming further emphasized that the mind has no distinction between inner and outer, it is the highest truth. There is no need to differentiate between the individual mind and the universal mind, as long as you cultivate the mind, eliminate selfish desires, and uphold moral principles, it is enough. Our minds are the source of all meanings. Flowers naturally bloom and wither, but whether they can disturb our minds depends on us. Even in the face of catastrophic events, natural disasters, or raging floods, as long as our minds remain calm, this world will always be stable. All the issues of the mind, when traced to their roots, are ultimately just issues of our own state of mind. In the world, no matter how dangerous or dear the circumstances may be, as long as our minds remain unshaken, nothing can sway our thoughts. This is the remarkable power of Wang Yangming's philosophy.